Hi, my name is Tania, and I'm the founder here at Museflower Retreat and Spa, Chiang Rai, Thailand, and I'm also an Into Soul guide. And today I'm here to guide you with a free meditation relating to our theme for this lunar cycle, which is vision. So when I first thought of vision, and thinking what kind of meditation I'm gonna do, I was thinking something about engaging our imagination, which that's gonna happen. But think about the key message for this cycle is all about seeing with our hearts. So I really want to do something that kind of help to connect our heart space with our imagination, and I come up with this meditation, which I'm gonna call it our heart cave meditation, a heart cave meditation. So let's get ready now for the meditation. If you are in the space where you can sit quietly, that's great. If not, at least somewhere you can close your eyes, or if you have your headphone on so you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. It is going to just be a short, easy, simple meditation to follow. And of course, if you have joined our 12 Days of Meditation Magic, you like that we love to light a candle. So if you have one, you feel free to light it with me. And so it's just to kind of symbolize this sacred time for ourselves. Okay, so I am sitting on the floor and I have a cushion underneath me, and I'm here in the living room, and this is my dog Toro. And so, I'm just going to lean back, and so, help with this as a support for me so I can still keep my back straight. You can also do this meditation lying down, or if you are sitting on a chair, please have your both feet on the ground, not cross your legs, and so your feet are really connected and the energy can flow in a proper way. All right, okay, so when you are ready, please close your eyes. I have my singing bowl with me today, and so what I'm gonna do is I will start and end the meditation with the sound of the singing bowl. Now close your eyes. And just take a deep breath in your nose and out through your mouth. And you can relax your hands on your thighs, palms facing up if you're sitting down on the chair or on the floor. And if you're lying down, you just have your arms by your side, palms facing up. And again, breathing in with our nose. And a long exhale with our mouth. And one more time, breathing in through our nose. And as we breathe out, just imagine we're letting go of our daily life thus far. Letting go of all the thoughts of what we're gonna do later, what we have done, what we're gonna eat later. Just gonna let them go for now and put these thoughts aside. We'll pick them up later again after the meditation. Remember, this is the time for yourself and to a really sacred time to connect with your inner self. Now, with your eyes closed, I invite you to start to pay attention to the energy, awareness that is maybe surrounding and around your head area. We spend a lot of time in the head space. And I want you to consciously shift gears and bring your awareness now, bring that energy down to your heart space. And when I mean heart space, I mean the energy center of the heart. So I mean in the middle of your chest. That's where the energy center of the heart chakra is. And I just want you to consciously, we're going to shift gears here from the head and just down to the heart now. And invite you to take a deep breath in through into your heart center. And a deep breath out through your mouth, out through the heart center. Very well done. Then again, breathing in through your heart center. And breathing out. And one more time, breathing in into your heart center. And breathing out. And now I'm going to invite you to engage your imagination. And just imagine in your heart center there is a beautiful cave, which is your heart cave. I really want to imagine your whole being inside this cave now. Now this cave can be by the sea, or it can be by the forest, or it can be anywhere, as long as you feel safe and you feel relaxed with this cave. It could be a cave that you've been in real life, or it could be just an imaginary one. Again, the most important thing here is that you feel safe and you feel relaxed in this cave. So really engage all your 5 senses now and imagine your feet standing inside the cave. How do your feet feel? How does the ground of the cave feel? How does the temperature inside the cave? What can you smell inside the cave? What sounds can you hear inside the cave? And last but not least, what can you see in the cave? Maybe it's completely dark, or maybe there is some kind of light source inside the cave. Maybe there's a crystal, maybe there's a bonfire. So your imagination, go with what feels right for you. And as you're staying in your heart cave, you're going to feel protected. You feel safe. You're safe from anything that is outside. Safe from any doubts, any fears, any criticisms. Safe from worries, safe from anxiety, safe from negativity. And you can lie down here as long as you want. And continue on focusing on your breath. Focusing on the sensations, all your senses being in this heart cave. How safe and how calm it is inside. How peaceful it is. And whenever you feel distracted or your thoughts brings you to somewhere else, no worries, just gently bring your awareness back into your cave, inside your heart. And breathe. Whatever sound you may hear from the outside, embrace the sound. Bring it into your heart cave. Merge it with your heart cave. Now take a deep breath in into your nose and a deep breath out through your mouth. And just make a mental note of how does it feel to stay in the heart cave for you. And Now we are going to journey back to our reality, our normal outer world. And so we're going to say a temporary goodbye to our heart cave, and know that anytime when you want, you can always come back here. Especially sometimes when the world outside feels like chaos and you just want to stay away from everything or everyone, you can always come back to your heart cave. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Now, following the sound of the singing bowl, start to pay attention now to your surroundings. Pay attention to the contact of your body on the ground, whether it's your feet or maybe your bottom of your spine, or maybe the whole backside of your body if you're lying down. Start to pay attention to the sounds that are inside the room or the space that you are in right now. And if you are sitting down, if your palms facing up, I invite you to place your palms facing down now, so your palms are touching your knees, or maybe your palms. If you're lying down, you can also put your palms on your heart and on your stomach, and using the sense of touch to bring your awareness back into the current moment, into the current space and time, back into your body. And one more deep breath in, breathing in and breathing out with a smile. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. So thank you so much for joining me for this meditation. And if you have made any kind of observations or some insight came through during the meditation, I highly recommend you to go to your journal now and just give yourself a couple minutes to write things down, or if there's any kind of reflection coming up, it's always great to write them down, or just any kind of sensations that came through during the meditation. Self-reflection is a really great way to bring awareness into our daily life. So I hope you have enjoyed this meditation. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.